Hello, Katrina. Hello. Happy birthday.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you, sabi mo. I love you.
Like it. Like it. Like it.
How are you?
Oh, sino na Johnny? Sino na Johnny?
Ako. Hello, Katrina. Happy birthday. How are you? I love you. I love you.
Oh, si Lula. Oh, Lula, greetings.
Hello, Katrina. How are you? Masala na ko. Kadugsog dyan.
How are you? We miss you. We miss you.
I miss you.
When are you coming back? When are you coming back?
Where are you coming back?
Ay, ba?
Hello, hi, cousin. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in your life. Good health. Mwah.
Ah, tita.
And happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sino na ulit?
Alala, mama, ikaw ulit. Happy birthday. May, happy birthday ka mo ulit.
I'm here in Manila.
Wag mo nga, ano ba yung mukha mo?
I'm here in Manila.
Oh, sabi mo, Katrina, I'm here in Manila. Hello, Katrina. I'm here in Manila.
English na English. Where's your mom?
Where is your mom? Where is your mom?
Tell your mom, contact me here.
I love you.
Yeah.
Maini, tama. Lula.
Oh, treat mo kami. Treat me. Treat your birthday. Yes. Ice cream. Yeah. Double Dutch. Ice cream, double Dutch. Ako sabi niyo, double Dutch. Ako sabi niyo.
Yeah, Katrina, the family misses you so much.
Ice cream, double Dutch. Yeah, ang yummy.
We weren't so much here, but yeah, we wanted to greet you happy birthday. This message you played. I'm hoping this will, make it better.